Welcome back, everyone. Today we'll be working on the ZTE blade, model A7P. So the problem with this one is the password's on there, we can't remember it, so we're gonna have to find a way to get back into the phone so we can use it. So since you forgot your password and there's no way around it and there's no way you can remember it, what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to factory restore the phone. Keep in mind that when we factory restore this phone, everything on it is gonna be wiped, including your pictures, data, everything like that. So just keep in mind that if this is your last resort, everything is going to be deleted and it's going to be back to its factory settings like how it is when you first bought it. So there's a couple ways to do that. For this method to work, you have to be able to shut off the phone. So right now when the phone is on with a password on there, it won't let you shut off the phone. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to force shutdown. After we force shut down the phone, what we want to do is we want to put it into factory recovery mode so we can restore it and bring it back to its factory settings. So for us to do that, it's going to take a few buttons we have to click to get it working, okay? So to force shut down the phone, what we have to do is we have to hold down the power and volume down button. And what that does is that forces the phone to shut off. And once the phone shuts off, what we're going to do right after that is we're going to let go of the volume down and we're going to move our finger to the volume up button, and we're going to hold the volume up and the power button at the same time. And what that's going to do is that's going to put us back into recovery mode. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. So right now we have to turn the phone off first. So we're going to go power and volume down, and we're going to hold this down until you see the phone go black and shut itself down. Once it does that, let go of the volume down and hold the volume up button until the phone turns back on. Once you see the ZTE, you can let go of the power button and keep the volume up button pressed. And we'll keep holding it until it brings us into this recovery mode. And this is where you guys end up. So once you get here, the first thing you want to do is go volume down to wipe data, and we're going to click on that. And we're going to go factory reset, and then we'll go erase all your personal information and download apps. You can't undo this action, okay? So that's just to confirm. So now we're going to confirm it and push reset. What happens now is the phone is going to reset everything on there, including your password, pictures, and everything, and it's going to bring it back to its original factory settings. So it says factory data wipe complete. Okay, so we're going to go back and we're going to go reboot system now, and the phone should be wiped. So we're just going to give it a second and see what happens. There you go, guys. So it took a bit to restore. I fast forwarded it a little bit, so it just sped it up a bit. If you guys are just watching this now and you guys haven't subscribed, feel free to hit the like and subscribe, guys. So there you go. Now we're back to the factory settings. All you gotta do is go through the settings and your phone will be nice and up and working again. If that helped, make sure you hit the like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.